Hey there, here's what's new in Novus. Product intelligence powered by your code. We've just rolled out a new onboarding flow, which allows you to not only connect to your GitHub repository, but now you can select multiple GitHub repositories, each with their own branch and root directory. And what you'll notice if you were to continue is nothing gets merged without you. Novus only ever opens the pull request, but you stay in control. It then scans all of your pages, your click events, your track events, and it completes the instrumentation step for you and puts up a PR. Once the installation is complete, your Novus experience will look a little something like this, where we have a new dashboard experience. One thing to notice is that Novus is constantly monitoring your product data, and it surfaced the key metrics that were most important for you to see when you logged into the product. We also have signals. These reflect key problem areas that should be on your radar, things that need your immediate attention. Before I dive into signals, I want to quickly touch on an improvement we made to memory. As I mentioned before, Novus scans your code base, and it then will create a product wiki, which is a living understanding of your product. It identifies the personas, the product areas, key flows, for example, and it reflects what Novus knows about your product. This wiki is updated every time a new pull request is merged into your code base, so it's always up to date and reflects the latest functionality. Memory reflects what Novus knows, but signals are what Novus notices about your product. We've just rolled out a new experience within signals where we clearly categorize which signals deserve your attention today. What are the most important signals that you really need to be focused on right now? That's now front and center when you view the signals page. We also have signals that you should watch and signals that you should consider acting on next. But the main thing to know is that there are 3 core categories, and you can focus on the highest priority signals when you first visit this page. We've also revamped the details page within signals. We still have the root cause. We still have the implementation plan. Now you can choose which steps of your implementation plan you move forward with. If you would like Novus to instrument that fix for you, you have the option to do that right here. And you can copy either the entire plan or specific steps within the plan and take those directly into your AI coding tool, whether that's Codex or Claude, to pull down these changes yourself, implement them with your own AI coding tool, and put up that pull request on your own. Novus is a starting point that accelerates you toward that fix, even if you don't proceed with having Novus create the pull request on its own. We are still estimating the impact of proceeding with these fixes, and now you can ask Novus directly about this signal from this page without navigating anywhere else. Another thing I'll call out is our new Slack experience. We have recently rolled out many improvements to Slack, including updates to how we handle scheduled reports within Slack. I gave a few examples of the types of questions you can answer here in Slack, but a few that I'll call out are: which track events do I need to still instrument in my code base? One thing to know is that our Slack experience can answer questions analytically and also take action autonomously. And if you ask Novus via Slack, instrument this new track event for me, it can put up a PR and send you a link to that PR directly in Slack without you leaving the context of where you and your team are already working. One last thing I'll mention is you can now shape how Novus thinks and operates by just telling it. The important thing to know is that Novus will then save those custom instructions to its own memory. And that way, every time you ask a question, either in Slack or in our chat experience, Novus will take those instructions into consideration to make sure that its responses are always relevant to what your team needs to see from Novus.